My name is John Lawrence B. Cerdon. This is our topic. Chapter 1 is Introduction to Python and Computer Programming. What is Python programming? Python is an interpreted high-level general-purpose programming language. Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. Python goals. In 1999, Guido van Rossum defined his goal for Python. An easy, intuitive, just as powerful as those of the major competitors. Open source so anyone can contribute to its development. Code that is as understandable as plain English, suitable for everyone, everyday tasks allowing for short development time. There are two different ways of transforming a program from a high-level program language into machine language. Compilation. The source program is translated once. Interpretation. You or any user of the code can translate that source program and each time it has to be run. The program performs. This kind of transformation is called an interpreter as it interprets the code every time it is intended to be executed. There is more than one Python. There are two main kinds of Python called Python 2 and Python 3. Python 2 is an older version of the original Python. Its development has since been international study, although that this means that there are no updates to it. Python 3 is the newer to be praised, the current version of the language. It's going through its own evolution path, creating its own standard and habits. Why can Python do? Python can be used on a server to create web application. Python can connect to database system. It can also read and modify files. Python can be used to handle big data and perform a complex mathematics. Python can be used for rapid prototyping or for production ready for development. Why Python? Python works on different platforms. Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. Python has syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages. Python's runs on interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it's written. This means that prototyping can be very quick. Python can be treated in a procedural way, an object-oriented way, or a functional way. List of Python IDLE, PyCharm, Visual Studio, Anaconda IDLE. Example of to output a text print hello world. Python intention if print first number is greater than second number. Else print first number is less than the second number. And this is the end of our presentation.